So as a person deep in the right side of the brain, I don't often tell stories in a linear way, but I'm going to try this time to tell you the story of how this trailer came to be. I am sitting in my dream, a tiny house on wheels that I'm going to pack up with all my art supplies, hit the road, paint it all crazy so I can roll up as this like inspiring, colorful, you know, something special, have some art class tables or whatever type of event we're going to unfold, pop up under a canopy, and travel around. At first the Houston-Galveston area, then definitely beyond, but like this is what I'm sitting in is phase one of this. Okay, so right, linear storytelling here. First we went on a road trip all through Texas and we saw some interesting trailers. Out of a lot of overpriced junk, this was a gem. She's beautiful, she's solid, there's no water damage. Definitely a few little things here and there to fix. Then aesthetically, I needed to get like all these stickers off and then remove the adhesive of the stickers so I could have a blank canvas on the exterior of the trailer. But she was just, yeah, a standout. And it was a very exciting moment for me when we drove up to find her. We headed up for a big old long road trip early in the morning.
5:45 a.m. hitting the road.
We prepared for the worst and hoped for the best.
Next thing that might happen is we replace the tires and then drive it home.
We may have tire issues. That's our biggest concern. But we have a positive attitude.
Yay.
All right.
We're here.
That is tiny. It's
Just
tiny.
the size I like.
We signed it, but I think it's still okay.
So it's as is, because
I told you everything I know about it, but I don't know.
perfect.
You never know with these things. It'll still work. Perfect. Well, thank you much. Here are your keys.
Got the trailer with like no hitches. It was a very exciting drive home. At first it was very exciting because it was like, yay, it's not falling apart. And then it was a long, like 4-hour trip. So that part was still exciting. But anyway, it's amazing working with these people who like get stuff done. I'm over here filming everything and turn around and everything's like halfway finished. It's kind of amazing. Great combination. I'm just gonna work with lots of collaborators from now on. That's my new favorite. Then, before I knew it, James was already priming. I had a whole idea that this would be more of a how-to video, but friends and mentors who are way smarter than I am took over and have made things happen way faster than I could alone. It just means a lot to me that this community building project is already getting community support. The plan, long term, is for me to both live and work in this art studio tiny home on wheels. I'll be offering art classes, painting parties, and creative experiences wherever I wander. And the great thing about art is that it can be used as a lens to teach about anything. So within the next month, I hope to do pop-up artsy educational community engagement classes for local programs. We'll see how things evolve. But this brings us to the trailer's present state. She is primed and ready to be painted with the mural. On the mural, I know I'm going to include a lot of native Texas pollinators, and the idea there is that it can be a little bit of an instructional how-to. You know, these are the types of plants that you're going to want to plant in Southeast Texas. I'm a passionate permaculture practitioner, so I'm very inspired to incorporate environmental activism, social justice activism, and just different ways to, you know, get everybody all excited about that kind of stuff into this project. The most exciting part, adding the mural and the color, is coming very soon, so keep an eye out. I'll be posting this journey. I'm really excited to see where she goes. Getting this trailer ready is just the beginning of the story. There's going to be a lot more excitement after that. So follow along, and I'll see you next time.